we can see what's going on down up in here. Can't tell what's basil from not basil, Lord. Oh, this label is giving fee 5 4 from.
Hello, Prince. What you doing?
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see, the garden looking real green and real healthy, and it's real full. If this is your first time here, welcome. And make sure you subscribe and become a charismatic and join the community, y'all. Started on March the 17th, so it is probably around 60 days, and this week we had our first harvest, y'all. We had a zucchini, two zucchinis pop up, and I actually pulled them, and I actually made one of them last night. It was so fulfilling and so rewarding to eat my food that I actually grew in this garden. I started this garden from scratch with no experience, as you guys can see. I didn't know what I was doing. I just went to the Home Depot and Lowe's and Ace Hardware and got all of the things, and if I can do it, you can do it too. So if you want to just hear about some of the crops, get some updates, and watch me do some repairing around the garden, keep on watching. Okay, y'all, so we got a couple of problems. Number one, first of all, it's that lizard over there on that towel. Look at him running on my nerves. All right, so first of all, Fred is our tomato plant. As you can see, Fred was washed up because I put Fred in this container that I got from Lowe's for $12. It was on sale. They're normally like $30, so you got to catch a good sale. But I did not poke anything in the bottom to drain it. So as we're in South Georgia, we've been getting a lot of rain, and so I messed that up. And so now we have to see if we can save him. So you guys have to stay tuned to see, you know, over the next couple videos how he's going to survive the repotting and trying to fix this. I don't know, it looks really bad, but we'll see if he survives. Instead of wine today, we have a tropical smoothie. Let me know if you want the recipe to this. It is amazing, and it has flax seeds in it. So yummy, so delicious. Here's the mail. It never fails. It makes me want to wag my tail. 4 things that I've used to start this garden was soil. I used peat moss. I used black cow, which is like a fertilizer, and I used perlite. This company, shout out to them, they sent over this cocoa core peat block. Okay, so it's supposed to be like a really good peat moss alternative. What peat moss does, according to the man at Home Depot, peat moss is a soil conditioner, so it conditions the soil. So I'm going to put my gloves on, and we're going to add some of this because I did not have that much peat moss left to repot Fred, the tomato plant. Oh Lord, it's in my eye. Ooh, see, being in the country do that. So I'm going to try to drill the holes in the bottom, and so let's get started. Now I'm wondering what I need to do. Just keep moving it out of its house, and oh my lamb, that was where he was originally. Oh Jesus, poor baby plant. He gonna survive, and the precious. Look at all of this, y'all. Oh Lord. Ooh. I can't get it out. It's so stank. Let this drain out, y'all. I should have moved it from over here. The holes are in. We're just gonna let that you know, rinse on out. Don't make the mistake that I did of not putting holes inside of the bottom of your container, because clearly you're going to pay for it. So we're gonna let that run out, and then I'm actually probably just gonna go ahead and repot it back in here, and we'll see how it does, because it has all of the nutrients and stuff in there. It just was too much water. So yeah, look at all this water. We're going to put some of this inside of the barrel. Oh, not me wasting the product. So this is how it looks. I'm just gonna sprinkle some, sprinkle it down in here. Hopefully this wasn't a mistake, and hopefully, you know, we count on Fred to live. and survive. Oh my Lord. Come on, Fred. I know you could do it. See what I can salvage. I'm gonna cut some of the leaves off the bottom.
It smell like doozy.
I know.
I want to get from back there. Why it smell like that? What is that?
Take this off.
Huh?
It's the fertilizer.
Damn, they ain't got no fragrance fertilizer.
All right. We're done with that. Got some broccoli that did not come up at all, so I'm just going to trash everything in here and try to repot this. I don't even know if I could use the soil because there's broccoli seeds in here, but let's just try again. Okay, so again, I did not put the holes in the bottom, which you should put the holes in the bottom. Don't be like me. Okay, so let's go ahead and put the holes in the bottom and repot them. All right, y'all, we got her done. So these are all empty right now. I don't know what I need to start again. Clearly I've grown too much in this garden, so I really need to get in there and tend to it. I don't think I need to start any more seedlings today per se, but I'm just gonna hold on to this. This is another cucumber plant, but there's no holes in the bottom of this, so we're gonna put some holes in the sides of this so this can have some drainage and continue to produce, because I already got a cucumber that's growing beautifully, and I'll show y'all that in a minute. Hope that's good enough. This is my first time using one of these. Not be done crack the whole dang on thing. It'll survive because I said it's gonna survive. You do 2 tasks in the garden and you tired. But we gotta keep going. We gotta clip the okra leaves. The bottom of the leaves are kind of getting yellow, and then we also got to check on the squash because I don't know what's happening back there. So let's go ahead and get that started. When I say the sunflowers they crying because they thirsty, so we're gonna water them. Get them some water. Oh, they crying. They'll be better tomorrow. They get like that. So I need to really water everything, because even though it was raining for a bit, see them melons? The melons and stuff, they love water. So I guess the vine gonna continue to grow in the ground. These are the tomatoes behind. Let me move this chair. Go ahead and cut this stuff out the bottom. Oh, it's another plant coming through in here. Okay, plant. Oh, Lord. I look like it's trying to get some flowers on here now. Let me find out. The tomato trying to give me a little something, show a little leg or something. All right, y'all, let's give it some water. Cucumber, Miss Lily. I feel like my cucumber has shown me so much. I love Lily. I love you, girl. Y'all, this right here blessed me, because look at how the vines is just holding on. It is so beautiful. And they're starting to produce. They are. Look at this. Come on now. Come on. Nature is just so beautiful and so amazing, and it teaches us so much. So much. Yes, I'm grateful for that one. All right, y'all, let's continue watering. All right, I'm gonna put y'all down in there. Let's see if we can find the zucchini. I need to chop some of these leaves. Oh, there it is. Down in there. Okay. Probably take it out in a couple more days, but we've already gotten 2 out of here. So proud. This is the basil. It looks like something is invading the basil, because this stuff don't look like the basil. So this looks like something. Just let me smell it. No, that's not it. That is it. This is the basil. That is not the basil. I don't know what the hell is going on. Yeah, this is not basil at all. It has to come up out of here from the roots. Get out of there. You trying to take over my basil? Ah! I guess today would be the day where freaking melons done wrapped around the trellis. Now the root system of the other one is impacted because they were growing together. Oh, my Lord today, my Lord today. Let me bring y'all in. See? Look at them. It's a baby one right there. Very small. Very small right here. And then on this other side right there. So this is the plant that is producing. I want to save it. I want to save it. Plant like, I need support. It's screaming like, and I'll push the trellis over. Okay, okay, okay. So yeah, so what I did was I just put this little trellis right here in front of it so it can hold it up. So it's got some support. This flower here just broke off, but I think this one has been broke actually. And so now we got some space back here. This lettuce is not looking too good, so I may just have to trim that. The watermelon are doing okay. The watermelon look like they a little bit thirsty. We need to get them some milk. This is what we are looking like from the back. This is the basil. And this right here, I don't know what's going on with this one. The squash seem to be coming okay. We haven't had anything yet from the squash, but we'll see. And the okra, the little baby okras are coming. Come on, okra. So beautiful. Look at the cantaloupes. They're just growing and growing and growing and growing. We got these that we started these tomato plants inside of the little containers right here. But we repotted the rocket tomato, Fred. He was doing fine until this got filled up with water. So we repotted him and we're gonna hope for the best. I just transplanted this one now. As you can see, it's down bad, but we're gonna pray for the best. And then I'm also going to transplant these. Now you may say, okay, it's a lot of tomatoes in here, but I'm just trying to increase the odds of survival, okay? And as you can tell, is because, oh baby, it's a time in this garden. And I have not yet built my my additional raised beds. My boyfriend told me I couldn't use no circular saw without no former trainer today. So we just gonna go to Home Depot and get the cutlass. We not gonna be, you know, rebellious on purpose. We're not gonna do that. All right, we're gonna hope for the best tomorrow. Tell me why I just got up from a nap. I was literally laying out here and it was like the most peaceful. The nap took me. I didn't take the nap. The nap took me. I hope y'all enjoyed the day with me watering these plants. repotting and carrying on. So if you guys have any questions, drop them in the chat below, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, bye.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, keep doing it.
Okay.